Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video, I'm going to show you key filters in Blue Prism. So here you can see this is the control room and here we have item key. These are the key name that is assigned to this specific item that is called item key. So this item has item key available that is IDFC. This is IDFC. If you talk about this project that is loan origination, so this origination has 7 stages and each item has a different stages here. And these item keys presents a bank name or lender name or any financial company name. So here you can see we have around 10 items. These items has a IDFC key assigned. So these are the lenders. So let's say you want to process only items where the item key is IDFC, or you want to process where the item key is SDFC. So based on the item keys, you can process all the items. In the tags, you will have seen that we need to put those tag names. We need to take a filter. We need to get items based on the tag and then we process. Now here I'm going to show you how to get items based on the item keys. Here I have taken get next item, and in the get next item I'm going to show you how to take items based on the key filters. So double click on that, and now here you will see we have option key filter and this is tag filter. So tag filter you will have already learned from my video. If not, then please go through the previous video. You can search for the tag filters. You will get more than 2-3 videos there. Now key filter, it doesn't work based on the wildcards. You will not able to apply here asterisk or question mark like that. You need to put a exact word in the key filters. It will not work in that way. It accept only exact match. So if you want IDFC item keys, so you need to put IDFC only. If you want to put SDFC, so you need to enter SDFC only. So double click here. Now I want to process all those items where the item key is HDFC. So I need to put here HDFC like this. If you'll put a star here, that will not work. If you'll put a star here, that will not work. You need to put the exact value that is coming from item key. So this key filter will take value from item key. Now click OK. Right click, set next stage, step over, and you can see here we have the item that is HDFC application number and step is credit decision. So our process will run based on this application step that is credit decision. So it will directly go to this step. So it will go to this one and then process this part, update the status, complete. Currently you can see based on the key filters we retrieved this item that is SDFC. Now next time also if I'll run again, so it will have a different item with the same key that is SDFC. Now application step is different. So by this way you can apply a key filter in your process in Blue Prism. So I hope this is useful. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn UiPath RPA, then you can visit my YouTube channel youtube.com/UiPathRPA. If you want to learn Blue Prism from Udemy, so I have created one course for Blue Prism RPA complete course on Udemy. So you can go there and you can purchase that course and you can get the certificate from there. I will enter the referral code and the link in the video description. You can go through that. I hope you like that one. Thank you so much for watching this video.